Hey Finance Forge fam, curious about DeFi or decentralized finance? Today we're breaking down how you can start investing in DeFi with just $50 in 2025. It's beginner friendly. Let's dive in. DeFi uses blockchain to offer financial services without banks. Think earning interest or investing all peer-to-peer. It's transparent and growing fast. Over $80 billion is locked in DeFi platforms in 2025. First, set up a crypto wallet like MetaMask, free and works like a digital bank account. Download it, secure your password, and never share your private key. Safety first. Next, buy cryptocurrency like Ethereum, which powers most DeFi apps. Use an exchange like Coinbase to purchase $50 worth. Fees might take $2, $3, so you'll have about $47 to start. Pick a beginner-friendly DeFi platform like Aave or Compound. These let you lend your crypto to earn 5–10% annual interest. Connect your wallet and deposit your $47 to start earning. With $50, try staking on platforms like Uniswap. Staking means locking your crypto to support the network and earn rewards. You could earn $3, $5 a year, and your investment remains liquid. DeFi has risks. Prices can drop, and scams exist. Only invest what you're willing to lose, and research platforms on sites like CoinGecko. Start small to learn the ropes before going bigger. That's your beginner's guide to DeFi investing. Ready to try with $50? Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more cutting-edge finance tips, hit the bell for updates, and share this with a friend curious about crypto. See you next time on Finance Forge.